Ukhozi olumaphiko omgula amaphiko kwaye kwaphephezela omiyane inyoni enobuciko nomnyunyiso egcwele emizini nemafini icula ingoma emnandi yayahlukanisa unyaka omusha omdala inyoni enezigidigidi zabalandeli abayilandelayo zamemeza esezidondolozela sathi siyayazi le nyoni yayiculela okhokho bethu abanye abathule isibongo sokhozi FM sisibhalelwe isidadada sothu ukhozi FM luhamba phambili.
Sindiwe Magona is an internationally renowned South African writer who has received many awards and widespread recognition for her writing, activism, and humanitarian work. Sabona mbukele ekhaya igama lami umuzi umfoka Mthabela, umfana kaSibongile ubhekisisa noJijo. Namhlanje ngizobona a very renowned doctor, umama engimthanda kakhulu who has written incwadi, umama ubhala incwadi ezi more than 150 zabantwana. Incwadi ezingaphezulu kweincwadi eziwu-20 zabantu abadala una 81 uqeda ukubhala incwadi yakhe yokugcina the age of 80 usabhala incwadi. So kuyangijabulisa kakhulu namhlanje ukuthi sizobona umuntu obeyi-activist, umuntu othanda kakhulu abantwana, owahamba wayofunda phesheya, wahlala ko-New York, okhulele khona la e-South Africa, khona la e-Cape Town, eGugulethu. Ngicela singena ngaphakathi ngoba kuningi kakhulu engicabanga ukuthi mina nawe singakufunda kuyena, ikakhulukazi intsha, abantu abancane abasafana nje nami kanje. Asingene ngaphakathi sifunde okuningi kakhulu kuma. Mbukele emakhaya, angeke ukholwe ukuthi namhlanje ngihlezi nobani. Ngihlezi nomama uDr. Sindiwe Magona, who has written over so many books. Masimbuza ukuthi usubhala incwadi engako vesani indlela eziningi ngayo. Ngiyakufisela nawe ekhaya ukuthi ngelinye ilanga lo msebenzi osebenza kuwona engathi ungathi mawubuzwa kuthiwa usuwenze umsebenzi ongakanani uthi indlela omningi ngayo nama ngisazi. Ma ngiwufundile umlando wakho, izinto osuzenzile, wenze izinto eziningi kakhulu, ube activist ezalelwe eGugulethu, wahamba wayofunda phesheya, wathola iziqu zemfundo, kodwa kukho konke ngikubonile ngibona uthando onalo ngabantwana. Bengicela ungitshele ma ukuthi ukhulele kuphi, ukhule kanjani, bekunjani nje la eSouth Africa mawukhula?
Mangiqale lapha ekuzalweni. Umuntu ongangami iminyaka akazalelwa ngeGugulethu.
Okay.
IGugulethu ifika ngo 59, 58, 59.
Yeah.
Ngelo xesha sendigqibe i-half ye high school.
Okay.
Ngikwa teacher training.
Yeah.
Mna ndizalwa kuTsolo.
Tsolo.
Eastern Cape, kwakuthiwa yiTranskei ke ngoko.
Yeah.
Kwilali ekuthiwa kuseGungululu.
Gungululu.
kuTsolo. Ndize apha eKapa ndingekaqali isikolo. Mhlawumbi ndina 5 and a half. Ndiqala isikolo ndina 6 iminyaka. Apha e-retreat. Ukusuka apha ungaya ngeenyawo.
Okay.
It will take you maybe half an hour or so uyofika e-retreat.
Yeah.
Kwilokishi. Zazingekho ii-townships kudala.
Yeah.
Abantu abamnyama, abantu abangenamali, abantu babehlala kwindawo ekuthiwa ziilokishi.
Okay.
IGugulethu yi-township yokuqala apha eSouth Africa.
Yeah.
Ukubizwa township.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ukufika kwayo, qalwa kwayo 59, 60, kwakuthiwa kuseNyanga East.
Okay.
Kwakusoko kukho iNyanga location.
Yeah.
Kwavela le ndawo sahlala kuyo kwathiwa west of Nyanga, kwathiwa yiNyanga West.
Yeah.
Ithe yawufumana igama years later, ngo-72, 73, yabizwa ngoba yiGugulethu Township.
Yeah.
Kwaqala ngoku indawo esihlala kuzo kwathiwa zii-township.
Yeah.
Ewe.
Yeah.
Andikhulelanga ke eGugulethu, ndikhulela eMabobosini apha e-retreat kusithiwa loo ndawo yiBlowflay.
Lovely.
Ewe. eGugulethu ndiye at the end of 1961, June 61.
Yeah.
Yeah, ndivele St Matthews Teacher Training College.
Yeah.
Kuqoboqobo.
Okay. So uqale uthisha wasuyafunda ngoba ngibolile ukuthi wathula neziqu ikakhulukazi ekunakekeleni abantwana eColombia. Ngitshela ufika kanjani eColombia yini yakwenza ukuthi ugcine sewushiya?
Oh, ibali lide. EColombia ndiye ngo 82,
Yeah.
ndagreda 84 i-masters.
Yeah.
Between ezo masters and ukushiya kwam i-St. Matthew's College, Teacher Training College, ngo-61, end of 61, when that teacher 62. A lot happened in my life. 62, ndishiya i-Teacher Training College, end of 61. 62, ndiqala uteacher between 62 and 80, ndithe 82 and 82.
Yeah.
Ukuya kwam eLando, ukugreda kwam, ukuya kwam eColombia. I have had so many amahla, ndinyuka,
Yeah.
ndihle, ndinyuke,
Yeah.
amagenxe-genxe. Incwadi yami yesibini ye-autobiography
Yeah.
ibizwa Forced to Grow.
Yes.
Yini evele ngemva yandishova,
Yakuphoqelela.
yandiphusha ukuthi phakama ntombazana,
Yeah.
phakama ntombazana,
Yeah.
ukuze ndibe zibona ndisiye eColombia nje sendivela usebenza emakhitshini, sendivela ukarabha intloko, sendivela uthengisa konke okuthengisekayo. Ya, ndivela hamba nzima. Ndingumama wabantwana abathathu, utata wabalekayo, single parenthood. Yabona ke kwintsokolo ezikhoyo kubantu ababhinqileyo ayikho leyo edlula ukushiywa ngumuntu ebekuthembise ngentoba nizawuphathisana
Yeah.
ukukhulisa usapho, uzibone sowedwa.
Yeah.
Kuba apha ekukhuliseni kwethu abantu ababhinqileyo, amantombazana,
Yeah.
iintombi, akukho kubalumkisa ukuthi heyi ungaze ugqibe udicide ekubeni mawube nomntana
Yeah.
ungaqinisekanga ukuba lo mntana ndingamkhulisa noba ndindedwa.
Yeah.
Ewe kumandi uba nomntu xa kusenzeka lo
Ubambisene
mntwana,
naye.
kodwa akukho kuqiniseka
Yeah.
ngokuba nawusoloko ninobabini.
Yeah.
Ndide ndithe ezintombini, ewe nina ningaba clever kunam okanye nibe nethamsanqa kunam,
Yeah.
nifumane amadoda anyanisekileyo, kodwa beware, even good husbands die. The only husband endayikhumbulayo mva sendenze very terrible choices, yile ndalibalayo ukuyibamba ncam. Umama engafundanga usikhulisa esithi, bantwana bam, zintombi zam, inye indoda engasoze ikulahla yimfundo. That's the only husband who will never leave you. Education.
Ingakho uma mhlambe masikhuluma ngamagenxe-genxe, ingakho wagcina uyi-activist ngoba kunezinto wawufuna ukuyitshela i-generation elandelayo ngenxa yokuthi wena mhlambe sewudlule kuzona lezo yidindi ongafuni sikhube abantwana bezimva kwakho.
Kuphela kwento endiyiphiweyo. Ndibona ukuthi kuthiwa ngabantu abangamaciko.
Yeah.
You wouldn't be here if God had no purpose in creating you. Xa ndijonga obam ubomi nendlela ebuhambe ngayo, ndiye ndithi ndisokole. Mhlambi yayindlela yondifundisa, indlela yondixhobisa ukuze ndikwazi unikezela kwabancinci kunam ukuthi hey, fundani ngala magenxe-genxe am. Ndifunde ntoni ngawo? Ndifunde ubulumko bokuba umntwana uyalungiselelwa. Sukuvuka I love suphelela apho. I love you is not going to help you ukukhulisa umntana. Andithi sumenzo I love you. It's nature to be sexual. Asinayibaleka. Kungoko kudala iintombi namadodana bezikhuliswa zifundiswa ngendlela yokuzanelisa kungekho bantwana bazalwayo. Sayilahla thina sawuphucuka. Ubomi umuntu azabuphila buxhomekeke kwii-choices azenzayo. Akukho ukuyibaleka leyo. Ezo choices uzenzayo, uba ukhuliseke ngendlela, ziqala kuthando. Uthando bubomi. Umntu funeka afunde ukuzithanda, akhule ezithanda, ezixabisile. Yinto leyo ke ibinkulu kuthi bantu bamnyama kudala. Ukuzithanda ke kuhambiselana nento yoba xa uzithanda uyazihlonipha, uyazikhusela, uyazihlonipha. Oko kuzihlonipha kufuneka into yoba kumkhokhele ukuze akwazi ukwenza ii-choices ezingazukwenza into yoba ubomi bakhe bumenze bube nobunzima. Ii-choices ezimkhulisayo, ii-choices ezondla ubomi bakhe. Loo nto ke ivele ekubeni ukhokhelwe phaa ekhaya. Uyazazi uba ungubani na, uyalazi ikhaya lakhe. Ikhaya ke lomntwana aliphelelanga kweli gumbi azelelwe kuyo, alikuphelelanga kule lali azelelwe kuyo, aliphelelanga kule dolophu, kwesi sithili. Ikhaya lomntwana lilizwe lakhe. Umntana okhuliswa ngendlela ke uyalazi ikhaya lakhe. Ngokuya ekhula, yabona umntwana by the time eba na-3 years, ikhaya lakhe yilali yonke nezinto azibonayo. Uvuleka amehlo umntwana ngokukhokhelwa. Ukuze athi efikelele ebuntwini obudala abe esazi into yokokuba kufuneka akhethe ngendlela eyiyo, engamziseli bunzima, engamngenisi ngozini, engenzakalisi bomi bakhe neenjongo anazo ngobo bomi.
Ngiyabona ukuthi uma unothando kakhulu lwabantu abasha. Luqhamuka lolu thando umama nalo, nanokuthi yini siyisizwe sase-South Africa emva kweminyaka engama-30 emkululeko esingayenzi kahle, ekumele siqale mhlambe siyiqaphele siyenzisise kahle ekukhuliseni abantwana.
Oh. Amakroba akhoyo siwabona, siyawazi. Ulutsha lwethu lusezijele, ulutsha lwethu lukwii-drugs. Nolo lusindileyo luthi xa lusiya mhlawumbi kwiiyunivesithi kuthiwe luyalambatha. Umntwana funeka agqibe unyaka kuvalwa amakroba. Kutheni ukuze kubekho amakroba? Kukuba thina bantu badala, thina bazali abo basengabazali ke, noomakhulu nootatomkhulu, siwe phantsi ekubakhuliseni ngendlela abantwana ebanga into yokokuba bathi befika ebuntwini obudala babe bengabantu gqibi. Ubuntu buyafundwa. Umntu uzalwa enazo zonke iimpawu zokuba ngumntu, kodwa ukuze ezo mpawu zikhule, zihlume, iyakwenzeka loo nto ngezinto azibonayo, azifundayo. Ufunda njani kumntwana emncinci? Ufunda ngezinto azibonayo, ngezinto azivayo. Ufundiswa ngumzali nabo bamngqongileyo, ufundiswa yilali. iAfrika yonke inentetho eyithethayo. It takes a village to raise a child. Village South Africa is fast asleep. Village South Africa is snoring. Yiyo loo nto xa kubaliswa ngentoba zingcali scientists ngabantwana and how children throughout the world are thriving. Abethu, I think number 2 from the bottom.
Eish.
Number 2 from the bottom. Ngabantwana abangathrive. Why are our children not thriving?
Yini ekumele siyenze ukulungisa lelo phutha ma? Ukuthi
Kufuneka
sibe number 2 kusuka phezulu.
kufuneka sinake abantwana ngendlela eyiyo. Umntwana unida ikhaya elinothando. Umntwana unida ukondliwa ngendlela eyiyo. Andithi mzalisa ithumbu nge-fed kuku nezinto namafutha umntwana i-nutrition yomntwana, ukondleka komntwana yinto wamakadle izinto ezondlayo ngendlela. Umntwana unida ukunakekelwa ngendlela evula amehlo, azazi ukuba ungubani, oyintoni, oyaphi kuba kutheni, ukuze akwazi ukwenza ii-choices ezimhlumisayo. Loo nto ithetha ukuthi umntwana year by year elekube sithi i-birthday yam kufuneka abe kukho ukratya elwazina nalo ngelizwe lakhe, ukuqalela kweli gumbi azelelwe kulo. By year 2 wazi yonke indlu nomsebenzi wegumbi ngalinye. By year 3 uphumile sele kwazi nodada, ngoba i-second birthday yomntana ozelelwe Western Cape imele uba zii-swimming lessons, not i-designer clothes, swimming lessons. By year 3 umntwana ozelelwe i-Western Cape, kuba ke kulapho ndikhoyo, umele uba noba uthatha izitepu ezithathu funeka athi I have climbed Table Mountain, njalo njalo. Azifama by year 4, azizilo by year 5. Umntana by year 9 umele uyayazi iprovince yakhe noba yeyiphi na ngokuphelela kwayo, izinto enazo, iinduli neentaba, imilambo neelwandle. Ngokweprovince, iiprovince azifani. Umntana akamelanga ugqiba i-10 years engayazi into uba iprovince yakhe iyini na kuye, uyinina yena kuyo. Yena unokwenza nina
emphakathini
ukuze iprovince yakhe izidle ngayo. Yabona abantwana by year 10 bamele uba bayazi uba abalahli ziplastiki naphina naphina ngokuba kutheni.
Kungenzeka yini ukuthi mhlawumbe umthelela obekhona ngenkululeko esayithola ngo-94 ube mubi noma ube muhle ebantwaneni?
Intoni umthelela?
Ama-consequences of inkululeko ngabe abe mahle noma abe mabi ekukhulisweni kwabantwana, ngoba ngiyakubona ukuthi ukukhulisa abantwana, i-child development into esondelene kakhulu nenhliziyo yakho. Yiziphi izinto ekumele siyiqaphele njengohulumeni, njengabazali, njengoba ngiwumzali nje wamadodakazi amabili? Yiziphi izinto mhlawumbe kumele ngiyiqaphele kule nkululeko? Ngoba mangikhuluma nawe ekuqaleni ngiyakhuluma ngendaba ukuthi inkululeko kumele ihambisane ne-responsibility ethize. Yiziphi izinto ekumele siyinake singabazali mhlawumbe esingayinakile ngenxa yenkululeko?
Kukuzibuza wena mzali, le nkululeko ithetha nina kum, indinika nina. Unenkululeko yoba uyovota nantoni na enye. Ndiyisebenzisa njani na le nkululeko ukuzihlumisa mna? Yintoni ndingayihlonipha njani na le nkululeko? Ngoba uba inkululeko yethu siyamkele, sayihlonipha, simele uba sazi into kokuba njenganto yonke siyiphiweyo ngumdali wethu ine-responsibilities. Zintoni ii-responsibilities zam? Kukuyihlonipha inkululeko endiyifumeneyo nokuwonga abo bayilwelayo. Ngokuthini? Ngokuthi ndingenzi nanye eyidobelelayo eyitsalela ezantsi njengantoni ukwaphula umthetho. Inhlonipho ubuntu bam buthi mandihloniphe umthetho. Lo mthetho ke ngulo ubambisayo ukusejele. Lo mthetho ngulo wakwantu ukuthi sukwenza nantoni na eyenzakalisa ubomi. Nobo bobomntu, nobo bobesilo, noba bobantoni na enye ephilayo. Izinto eziphilayo ke zifana nezinto ezikhulayo. Noba ingca into ephilayo, imithi into ephilayo. Sukwenzakalisa nantoni na ngaphandle kwesizathu. Siyaxhela but asambe sibulala zonke izilo for no reason ebhadlileyo.
Ma, ubhalile la incwadi ziningi. Lezi ezinye nje zazo incwadi ezibhalwe umala. Ziningi incwadi oyibhalile. Uthando lwakho le-poet ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi kunezinkondlo eziningi oyibhalile. Uthando lwakho lokuba usonkondlo nokuba umxoxi weindaba, storyteller, luqhamukaphi?
Kusekubeni ndikhuliswe njalo. Kum yeyona ndlela ilula yokwabelana, sharing, nabanye. Kum yindlela endinokuthi ngayo mhlawumbi ngethamsanqa ndifikelele kubantu ebengeke ndafikelela kubo ngenye indlela. Ewe, uyabona ngencwadi ndifundwa ngabantu eJapan, ngencwadi ndifundwa ngabantu eAustralia, ngencwadi ndifundwa ngabantu eMerika. Ngelishwa abona bantu ndifuna ufikelela kubo aba bafana nam apha eMzantsi Afrika. Incwadi asiyona nto bayithandayo. Lilonke andifikeleli kwabona abantu ndingafikelela kubo.
Ngiye ngathola into eyangishaqisa ma ukuthi la eSouth Africa uma ngabe kuthiwa incwadi i-bestseller isuke idayise ama-copies more than 5,005. Ngikhuluma ngezwe elinabantu aba more than 55 million. Ukuba besikhuluma ngo-10% walabo bantu bese besithi u-5.5 million. Okuchaza ukuthi akufundwa ngale ndlela esiyifisayo la South Africa ngoba kusho ukuthi u-1% wabantu abathanda izincwadi uma ngabe kuzothiwa u-5,000 wenza i-bestseller. Yini mhlawumbe ungayisho ikakhulukazi kubantu abasha ukubagqugquzela ukuthi bathande izincwadi?
Kubazali nabani nomnye onaka abantwana. Ndingakhuthaza ukuthi khumbula ukuba incwadi iyamkhulisa umntwana. Xa uthenga amabhaso nokuba lelantoni na, always include a book. Bazali, umntwana enye yezinto emkhulisayo likhaya elimnakayo. Spend time with the children on a daily basis. Makubekho ixesha lokudlala kwi-routine yosuku, every day in a routine, kwi-routine yosuku ngalinye yosuku ngalunye makubekho ixesha lokudlala, makubekho ixesha lokuncokola, makubekho ixesha lokufunda. That's part of how you raise a child. Ukhula njalo umntana ngoba ukhula ngoko akuboniswa nguwe. Incwadi umntana makayazi, makayithande. Mnike incwadi ayifunde, mnike akukhasethe noba uyifunde upside down, as long beze ibambile uyafunda. Mqhelise incwadi, mfundele de ade angathi uyazi ngentloko, abalise libali ubulibalisa. Khandibalisele nawe uhleke xa ehleka. Teach the children love of books. Bayakubona usela utywala udakwa, and then you are surprised xa bedakwa. Bayakubona nibethana nomama, and then you are surprised xa behamba bebetha abantu. Be exemplary as much as you can.
Enye into engiyiphawulile mama ngilo ngixoxa nawe ukuthi uyayizonda racism. Singakhuluma nje mhlambe kancane ngayo ukuthi iqhamukapi leyo nto ngoba enye yezinto okwewazisho ukuthi sonke kumele sizikhuze uma sizithola siyama racist ngoba sonke sinabo ukucalucalula
Ngokwe-skin colour.
sonke ngokwebala.
Yeah. Into ukuthi i-history yethu
Yeah.
apha eSouth Africa thina isifundise ukuba i-racism yenziwa ngabantu abamhlophe kuthi.
Yeah.
Hayi. Ndikhule njalo ndicinga loo nto, but ngokuye ndikhula ndabhaqa ndafunda nakwezinye iincwadi. Hayi, sonke we are all racist. No one can escape
Yeah.
judging other people via skin color. And skin color is not race,
Yeah.
first of all. I have written a book called Skin We Are In.
Yeah.
That book is about that. This means nothing. This is less than 1,000% of who I am.
Yeah.
Did you know that the color of your skin is so much less than 1,000%
Yeah.
of who you are? The other 99.999% is who you are.
Yeah.
So this cannot have any bearing on my character.
Yeah.
But does that stop me from judging other people via the same way? No. I look at someone, they are white,
Ish.
they do something nasty to me. It's because they are white. No,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
I am doing the same thing
Yeah. To them.
to them,
Yeah.
judging them
Yeah.
by the color of their skin. They are not being nasty to me
Yeah.
because of their skin color. They are being nasty to me, yes,
Ngoba banasti.
because they are nasty people. You happen to be a nasty person,
Mm.
but it's got nothing to do.
Skin color.
We have all learned. When we were not born like that.
Yeah.
But through the grown-ups around us, either actively or not even actively, teaching us to judge others
Yeah.
by skin color,
Yeah.
we do the same. And don't judge other people.
Kumele sizikhuze.
No,
Ngithanda
don't
amagama akho
judge
ukuthi kumele
other people.
sizikhuze uma
Even
siyibamba.
when they act towards you
Yeah, ngendlela ethile.
ngendlela ethile oyazi uba yenziwa yile nto,
Yeah.
don't judge them
Yeah.
nge-skin color now.
Yeah.
Just understand they have not grown to an awareness of you are not your skin color. And also, mind yourself
Yeah.
because you also have it.
Yeah.
And when you catch yourself,
Uzikhuze.
uzikhuze.
Yeah. Mama kuningi osukwenzile empilweni. Njengoba kade usho ukuthi waya nako Colombia, wahlala eNew York, is it New York? Wahlala eNew York, waphinde wabuya. Uma ubheka emuva, ubheka izinto ozenzile. Kukhona mhlawumbe owawungafisa ukwenza differently, owawungafisa ukwenza
Oh,
ngendlela
definitely.
ehlukile, okwenze kangcono.
Definitely.
Iziphi izifundo nje ongasifundisa zona mhlawumbe ngezinto thina esisenaso isikhashana. Iziphi izinto ongasixwayisa ngazo njengabantu abasebasha nami ngisemusha.
Ezimbini eziphambili njengoba uthetha.
Yeah.
Into yoba ndiye ndithi ndacela uxolo ebantwaneni.
Yeah.
Akwaba ndandibalungiselele.
Yes.
Akwaba ndandingabafumananga ndisemncinci kangaka ndingenamali yokubakhulisa. Umntwana umele into yoba uthi xa uzilungiselele uthi umfumana owokuqala ube unendlu yakho othi kukwam apha. Kulapho kuzawuba kokwabo. Ungamzaleli ekhaya. Unemali ebhankini yokuba akasoze alambe. Unemali ebhankini yokuba uyakufunda lo mntwana. Umlungiselele. Sewugqibile ukufunda uzixhobisile ukuba uyawusoloko unengqiniseko yokuqeshwa. Ukulungiselela abantwana ngendlela phambi kokuba ubafumane. uba ubhinqile nokuba ungumntu wasebuhlanti
Yeah.
unengqiniseko yoba noba kungenzeka into lo ndenze naye lo mntwana angabikho nokuba undibalekile undilahlile nokuba uthathwe nguYehova ndawukwazi ukumkhulisa lo mntwana ndedwa. Loo nto yoba prepared yokukhulisa umntwana wakho materially and emotionally wedwa yokuqala. Eyesibini, kukho kule ncwadi yam yokugqibela endiyibhalileyo, incwadi ethi incwadi ye-essays.
Uqede nini incwadi yakho yokugcina uyibhale uneminyaka emingaki?
Ile iphume last year ndina-8.
Uma
Ndina-81 ngoku.
ubhale incwadi yokugcina.
Hayi eyokugcina,
Okay.
but yeyokugcina for the time being.
Okwamanje.
Okwamanje. Ndibhale enye ngoku ezawuphuma kulo nyaka.
Iningi lethu lisheshe liphonsa ithawula empilweni sitshela ukuthi ayingeke mina ngeke kusalunga kimi sengiphelelwe yithemba, kodwa uma uthi okwamanje at the age of 80 ubebhala incwadi yakhe yokugcina emva kwezincwadi eziningi almost over 100.
Ezabantwana over 150.
Umama ubhale incwadi ezi over 150
Ezabantu abadala
zabantwana.
over a dozen.
Over a dozen. Incwadi eyibhalwe at the age of 8 umama akakalahli ithawula empilweni ukuthi hayi ke sengilinde ukufa cha. Yini manje yenza mina nawe sisebancane kanje sino 40 sino 30
Oh.
sizinikelele otshwaleni. Ngikuphazamisile usakhuluma.
Eyesibini
Yeah.
ephambili kum kule ncwadi le
Yeah.
ethi le isezantsi.
Okay.
Never mind ithi I write the yawning void. Yincwadi ye-essays.
Yeah.
Kune-essay apho ethi do not choose poverty.
For poverty is death.
Do not choose
Ngathi
poverty.
sitshelene indaba ngiyivele ngaya ngqo kuleyo line le.
And I know abanye abantu bazathi awu usindiwe uthi siyazikhethela uba no, poverty is a choice. Poverty comes from the choices you make. The only person who did not choose or has not chosen poverty is the newborn. They are born into poverty. But by the time they are 13, if they are raised well, they can escape poverty. We choose poverty by making wrong choices. If you choose not to escape poverty, you are choosing poverty.
Hey, Nkosi yami.
Even the not poor who come from the formerly oppressed are always on the brink of descending to poverty by making wrong choices. How many times have you heard on TV or radio that an MP or somebody in a very good a principal of a school is being arrested for stealing money through the job he is doing? Somebody who works at a bank steals from the bank. What does that tell you? No, they are not poor. They have a job, but they are on the brink of sinking back to poverty. Why? Because they have not learned valuable lessons on how to escape poverty. When you have a job, that's a with which you should stab poverty forever. By the choices you make with your first salary. What do? Do you save part of it? Do you save most of it? Or do you just say, oh, now I have the ability to make debt? You can go to the furniture store, to the other clothing store and say, I earn so much, give me more debt.
Ma, sengizobuza umbuzo wokugcina, kodwa ngicela nje ukufunda ulayini imigqa nje emibili emithathu bese ngibuza umbuzo wokugcina ukuvala ukuthi mhlambe isiphi isiyalo sokugcina ongasinikeza lelizwe nale generation. Uthi ke ilento engithusile ukuthi ngivele ngavula ipage la kanti uzokhuluma ngalento. Uthi lana, choose to live poverty. Do not choose poverty, for poverty is death. Poverty kills. The poor die young. The quality of life for the poor is abysmal. Uthi ke umana lana, khetha ukushiya inhlupheko. Khetha ukuphuma enhluphekweni ngoba inhlupheko iwukufa. Inhlupheko iyabulala. Abantu abangenamali bafa bebancane ngoba equality noma uhlobo lwempilo ephilwa abantu abahluphekayo iyadabukisa. Ma ukhulumile kuyezwakala. Nami ngiyasifunda isifundo ukuthi kumele ngibalekela ikakhulukazi inhlupheko. Into igama eliqhamuke kakhulu engxoxweni yami nawe namhlanje igama elithi choose and choices. Imapha ama choices mhlambe nje one thing. Yipi choice ekumele yenziwe le generation yamanje ikakhulukazi futhi njengoba sesibheke esikhathini sovoto.
Choice you make today, choose today, but have your eye on tomorrow. Because choices have consequences, not only for today. Think long term.
Yeah.
What do you want long term?
Yeah.
Is the choice you're making taking you there?
Yeah.
Why? Why am I making this choice?
Yeah.
How is it taking me there? Don't make choices that don't
Ezingakusondeza eduze kwala ufuna ukuya khona.
Don't make those choices. Not only for today. Une tomorrow. You have a tomorrow. Always remember where you want to go, where you want to get. Ufuna uba ubani ngekusasa lakho.
Ngiyabonga ma. Hey sasa khuluma kamnandi yazi isikhathi kodwa umuntu wakhandi wash la ngiyohlangana naye khona. Ngimfaka amangqimngqimi. Ngiyabonga kakhulu mbukele ekhaya sikhulumile noma nami ngifundile okuningi. Into ebaluleke kakhulu engiyibambile mina kuzo zonke sizikhulumile ukubaluleka kokwazi ukuyikhethela ukuthi ubani ufuna ukuya kuphi kumele siyikhethele njengesizwe ukuthi yini esifunela lelizwe lase South Africa ebese sizibuza mina nawe ukuthi yini mina engizimisela ukuyenza ukuthi ngenze isiqiniseko sokuthi lento engiyikhethayo ngeSouth Africa iyenzeka ngingalindeli nje kuphela ukuthi osopolitiki ngingalindeli nje kuphela ukuthi abaholi emphakathini abazokwenza izinto zenzeke kodwa mina nawe yini sizimisela ukuyenza ukwenza lelizwe libe elinye lezizwe elineziqhamo ezinhle Nkosi kubusisa ma ngiyakuthandeza
Ubulela mina ngiyabulela ke thandwa ndim nawe thandwa ndim nawe